Hello and welcome! Today we're making a simple Indian beef mince and potato curry. This one's been a staple in my kitchen for years. It's my favorite weeknight dinner because it's so quick, simple and tasty. So let's get straight into it. We're going to start by boiling up some baby potatoes. Add some butter to a pan. And we're going to start by frying some baby potatoes. I'm just going to fry these potatoes till they turn slightly brown on one side. Let's flip them around. And let them cook on the other side till they're done. So once your potatoes are nicely roasted or browned, take them out. We're going to set that aside. And I'm going to transfer all that leftover butter to a pan. Add a bit more oil if needed. And in goes my onions. We're going to fry these onions till they turn translucent. Once your onions are translucent, I'm going to go in with some ginger, garlic, and stir that through till it releases all its raw aroma. Once the ginger and garlic are done, I'm going to go in with some blended tomatoes. You can use canned if you prefer. Mix that through. And I'm going to give the tomatoes a few minutes to cook. Coriander, cumin, garam masala, and some tumeric. Now this is completely optional, some chilli flakes for some heat. Give that a mix. And let these spices cook through. Once your spices are all cooked through and the oil's released to the side, it's time for my mince to go in. I'm using beef mince, but you can use any mince of your choice. Add some salt. Still watching? Here are a few more mince recipes that comes together really quick. Check them out after you finish watching this video.
I'm going to let this cook through for about 10 to 15 minutes till my meat is nicely cooked. My mince is looking good, so I am going to add some frozen peas, which is optional. Put the lid on and let that cook for about 5 to 10 minutes on a low flame. Okay, this has been cooking for 5 minutes, so let's check on it. That is looking good. I've just turned my exhaust on. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of warm water, just a bit. And my crunchy potatoes goes in next. They need a bit more cooking. So I'm going to mix that through. Now if you wanted, you could have cooked your potatoes completely and then just added them, but my potatoes weren't cooked, so I've got to cook them for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. So lid on, and I'm going to let my potatoes cook. See you back in 5.
And that's it, a humble beef and potato curry that's full of flavor and always delivers. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out those other mince recipes before you click off the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.